Now what we have here are the common conversion units and the prefixes that we commonly see in the metric system. Okay, so if we start in the middle here, whether it's meters, grams, or liters, okay, that's kind of your base unit. That's your base unit. Base unit. Okay, your base unit for distance is meters, your base unit for mass or weight is grams, and your base unit for volume is liters. And what you'll notice is everything is a factor of 10. So starting here, a centimeter is 10 times as big as a millimeter. A decimeter is 10 times as big as a centimeter. A meter is 10 times as big as a decimeter. Okay? A decameter is 10 times as big as a meter. A hectometer, 10 times as big as a decameter. And a kilometer, 10 times as big as a hectometer. And you're like, some of these things I have not heard about, right? And it's true because, oh, let's get out the green here. Because if I'm dealing with meters, the common other units that we use are kilometers, centimeters, and millimeters, okay? So these other ones create a factor of 10, but we don't know about them very often. So if I have to go from kilometers to hectometers, I just multiply by 10. Okay? If I have to go from hectometers to kilometers, I divide by 10. So there's 7 common units, although some of them aren't so common. In meters, the ones we really use are kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. That's the ones you'll see. In grams, we generally use kilograms, grams, and milligrams, right? Often medication, if you take medication, it'll be in milligrams, or vitamin D will be in how many milligrams. Same thing actually with liters. Generally, we just use liters and milliliters, okay? We don't usually do kiloliters, which would be 1,000 liters. We don't usually do that. Generally just liters and milliliters. So what I have, if you pause the video, what I have here circled is the most common of the units that we know. Even though there's a whole chart with a bunch of prefixes, the ones circled in green are the ones that we commonly use in everyday life.